Hey, how y'all doing? We're gonna go through a little drive here in the Furnace Dock Road back along the Hudson River. It's real pretty, and just real quick, I thought y'all would probably enjoy it. So we're going past Holy Smoke Barbecue and come on this it's a pretty scenic little drive. So, and you know, like I said, I think y'all really enjoy it. Cute little frogman there beside the road, and looks like this is 9A. We're going to be going underneath it, and it comes out kind of along the Hudson River. A nice little wooded area. Cruising through. All the trees are overgrown, kind of making a tunnel effect in the road, and always got the real pretty stone fences along the road here in New York, as you can see. Kind of post and iron bar along here anyway. 30 mile an hour. And just a real nice drive. Big houses set off to the right and left. Stone brick. It looks kind of cool. And every now and then you see some people walking along the road. And here, as you come around, kind of see the mountains in the background and the Hudson River. Some more stone walls along the road. Stone fencing. Really get a nice view right through here of the mountains on the other side of the river. This little back road, and some pretty cool masonry work along the edge of the road. You know, where probably an old homestead used to be, or an old house that burnt down one time long ago. And apparently a fairly well-to-do individual that used to live there, or maybe it was a church. I don't know. Railroad tracks on the left-hand side running along the river. And there's a lot of people come out here and do a little fishing. And kind of hilly out here. There you see some more of the kind of broke down fencing along the road. The little tributary that kind of runs up and in off of the Hudson, comes up into here. See people down below doing a little fishing in it. Some more stone work along the road. And they got some parks and stuff set up. Let's see what this one is. Town of Cortland, Oscawana Island Nature Preserve. People bring their bikes out and do a little riding. And this is kind of an old rustic looking bridge. Coming across that little tributary, it comes out to the Hudson. Real pretty brickwork along that. Nice big old white house. Yeah, I had to get my bike and go spend some time out here, so, you know, real soon. This is beautiful. And now we're getting back into the housing again. Children at play. There's some pretty good views up right around here. A few old school houses with the old siding on. Now we're back into Cortland, New York. So we left in Croton on the Hudson. Yeah, and this is kind of cool right through here. You see the old bridge that used to go up and over that way. Now they got it blocked off. Detour, battery place used at 9A VA entrance. So they must have had an alternative entrance there. Went over this bridge. Kruger's. So now we're on Kruger's Road. Must have been an old manufacturing facility or something that used to be back in here. Looks like there's a construction business or something here off to the left. Got a bunch of equipment, big augers, all kinds of stuff, and trucks and dump trucks and plows, and bucket trucks, and see what it is. D&M Utility Construction. Nice little building there. And the backhoes and big track hose. Mansers. And a guy coming across the road, probably shouldn't hit him. Little abandoned, looked like mechanic shop or something. Be nice with an old drag line track. Well, this is where this one ends. So hope y'all enjoyed a little drive, and we'll see you next time.